The Jazzy Carbon HD is finally here, folks. It's the first folding power wheelchair made of carbon fiber that weighs just over 30 pounds and that can support up to 400 pounds. Now, if you've been subscribed to our channel, you know AJ. We interviewed him at the trade show recently.
Sergio's a professional. And
thank you. Yes, I do say that quite a bit. AJ is going to show you how to fold this power wheelchair and tell you a few things about its features, and I'll comment along the way.
Now, let's take a closer look. First, fold back the footplate. Next, you'll see a latch toward the back of the unit. While releasing this latch, the unit can begin to fold. To avoid extra bending, once the unit has begun to fold, you can lean it back on its anti-tip wheels to complete the process. Push the seat and back together as close as possible until you hear an audible click. That means the unit is now locked into place and can be picked up securely. To reduce overall weight, you also can remove the battery at this point. You also have the option of removing the cup holder and joystick controller to create a more compact bundle. To unfold, there's a latch on the underside of the power chair. Release this to begin unfolding the unit. Continue until an audible click indicates that the power chair is now securely in the driving position. Fold down the footplate and reattach the battery if necessary, and you're ready to ride again. The Jazzy Carbon HD is a modern mobility marvel and an outstanding heavy-duty addition to our travel lineup.
Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video. Now, a few things that we noticed about the Jazzy HD power wheelchair is that it has a really nice blue tint to the carbon fiber frame and orange suspension coils on the front with black suspension coils on the back. It has a really wide and thick seat cushion. It's 20 inches wide by 20 inches deep, and it is a removable seat cushion, so you can technically put your own cushion there. Now, the battery sits right underneath the seat frame assembly. You can just remove it out with a handle and a little clip. Now, the standard battery is not airline compliant. However, there is an option to purchase a TSA-friendly 12 amp hour lithium battery. The one that it comes with is going to be a 24 volt, 20 amp hour lithium battery, which exceeds the limitations of 300 watt hours for airline travel. The TSA-friendly battery is a little pricey at just over $500 if you want it. The battery pack weighs 7.5 pounds. Now let's tune back into AJ to hear some more about its folding abilities and features.
Like our other lightweight units, the Jazzy Carbon HD folds in just seconds with a few quick steps. It locks into place when folded, is easy to pick up for storage and transport, and the unit unfolds just as quickly when the time comes to get moving again. Every ride with the Jazzy Carbon HD is comfortable thanks to front and rear suspension, along with a padded seat back and an extra wide foot platform. Users can travel with their belongings in a storage pocket on the back while staying refreshed with a standard cup holder, and this advanced LCD joystick controller can be affixed to either armrest depending on preference. Accessories for this unit include a headrest, a tendon control, elevating leg rests, and a travel bag kit to keep your product protected. You also have the option for an airline compliant battery and an upgradable cushion. The Jazzy Carbon HD is a heavy-duty addition to our lightweight lineup built with your convenience in mind.
Now, I don't know if you caught that, but AJ said when you fold this unit, it locks into place, which is actually really nice. A lot of the folding power wheelchairs out there do not lock into place when it's folded. So when you go to pick it up from one of the handles, say on the top of the backrest, it tends to unfold and be awkward when you're trying to put it into the trunk of a car. It also has foot pegs, so you can leave it standing up in the folded position. You don't have to worry about it tipping over. It has a really nice frame, brushless motors, and what looks like to be a really high quality controller system. All the wires are very neatly labeled and secured to the frame to reduce or eliminate any chances of the wires getting pinched when you're folding and unfolding it. It's easy to unfold. You can do it with one hand almost by like flicking it like a lawn chair. Now, one thing we didn't see from AJ's demonstration is that the joystick has a light feature, so you can actually illuminate the path in front of you a bit. It's a pretty bright light that's right underneath the joystick controller. The joystick can be removed easily and repositioned from the right side armrest to the left side armrest, no problem. One other thing that we didn't see in AJ's video is that underneath the backrest flap on the back, there are some tension adjustment straps, which will allow you to adjust the tension of the backrest. Check out those brushless motors. Automatic brake switches, those little yellowish orange levers are going to be to disengage the braking system, so you can freewheel it if you need to. Now let's pause and look at these tires. These tires are pretty narrow, and to be honest, these wheels are not really intended for off-road all-terrain. They're 10.6 inch tires on the rear, 6.5 inch tires on the front. It's not an off-road wheelchair, guys. It's meant for indoors, flat surfaces, and yes, you can go on grass, okay? Now, one other thing, the armrests do flip up. Overall, it's an awesome chair. I love it, and I'm extremely excited to learn more about it. We're going to get our hands on this chair very soon and stack it up against all other folding power wheelchairs in this class, torture it, see how it does off-road, on inclines, on grass, etc. So make sure you subscribe so you can learn all about it. If you have any questions, you can either give us a call with the number below, speak with our non-commissioned sales experts, or leave a comment. I'll personally respond to every comment within 1 business day. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Until next time, have a great day.